and a very happy Independence Day to all of you. I'm Dr. Amruta Varimbe, pediatrician and nutrition expert, and this is my channel Mom's Wonder Cookbook. If you have not subscribed to my channel, do subscribe, as I'm going to share with you a lot of healthy, tasty and quick recipes especially for your kids. Today is Independence Day and yes, a special occasion to make something special. Today I'm going to share with you two totally new chilies. These recipes are not only tasty but are very special too, as I have added the colors of our Indian flag in them. So let us today make tricolor recipes. Let us see the ingredients required for this tricolor bundi raita. I have taken here 2 katoris of thick curd, 2 katoris of khari bundi or salted bundi, then half katori of tomato chopped, then half katori of chopped capsicum, half katori of chopped onion, then this is 1 teaspoon of black pepper powder. Then these are masala singdanas, 1 tablespoon. They are going to give a nice taste and also add to the protein content of the recipe. Then this is salt as per taste. We have to remember that the bundi is also salted and also the singdana are salted. So we have to be a little bit cautious while adding salt. Now let us begin with the recipe. Let us prepare the curd first. For this I have taken curd and we have to whisk it properly. Now let us add salt and half the amount of black pepper powder. Let us mix it properly. Now to this curd mixture I will add onions. Let us mix it properly. Before adding onions, I have removed some curd and pepper mixture separately for garnishing. Now our bottom layer is ready. Now in another bowl I am going to prepare the orange layer. For this I will take khari bundi, then tomatoes and salted peanuts. So our orange layer is also ready. Now let us add curd mixture to this serving bowl. Now let us add our orange layer and green layers. Now let us put some white layer in between. Now I am going to just put a little bit of pepper in the center. So our tricolor bundi raita is ready. Enjoy them after mixing it. Let us see the ingredients required to make our tricolor dahi bhalla chaat. I have taken here 2 cups of urad dal and to this I have added 1 tablespoon of moong dal. This I have soaked for around 4 to 5 hours in water. Then this is 500 grams of homemade curd. Then this is 1 cup of moong sprouts. And this is a paste which I have made using 1 katori of coriander leaves, 2 green chilies and half a teaspoon of jeera. I have made this paste using all the 3 ingredients. We will also require here sugar 1 teaspoon, then chaat masala half a teaspoon of red chili powder, then this is 1 teaspoon of black pepper powder, 1 teaspoon of jeera powder and salt to taste. So we have taken here garlic save for orange color. Then this is khajur imli chutney, which I have made using khajur, then imli and little bit of sugar and red chili powder. And we will also require oil for frying. At first I will grind this urad dal into my mixer grinder into a smooth paste. Let us make the first layer of our tricolor dahi bhalla chaat. I have cooked the moong sprout slightly. To this I will add some salt for taste. Be cautious while adding salt, as we are going to also add chaat masala, and chaat masala also has salt in it. Then I'll add some chaat masala and we will add the green paste. I'll add 2 teaspoons of green paste. Now let us mix it well. Our first layer is now ready. Now let us prepare our curd for dahi bhalla. So first I will add curd. I will add the entire amount of curd and I will mix it well. Now you have to whisk this curd a little. Now to this I will add salt. Salt is as per your taste. Then sugar. Now I will add to this half teaspoon of jeera powder, then half teaspoon of black pepper powder and 1/4 teaspoon of red chili powder. I will mix it properly. So now my curd for dahi bhalla is ready. I will keep it in refrigerator. I have made a smooth paste of our dals in my mixer grinder. Now I will make vadas using this paste. Before making vadas, I'll just add salt to it and I will mix it properly. Also, I will add 1 tablespoon of hot oil to this mixture. I'm going to deep fry them, but you can also shallow fry them, or you can make them into appe patra if you don't want to deep fry them. So now let us make vadas or bhallas out of it. I will add 1 tablespoon of hot oil to this mixture. I'm going to mix it well. Oil is now hot. Now I will put vadas and I will deep fry them. I'm going to make small size vadas. I'm going to deep fry them on medium flame so that they are cooked from inside also. My pakodas are also now ready. Now let us assemble all the layers of our tricolor dahi bhalla chaat. Now at first I will put the layer of green moong and green paste. To this I will add small pieces of urad vada. So this will be our white layer. In the similar fashion I will prepare the second glass also. Now over it I will pour some curd. On top of it I will add the garlic shave. This will be our orange layer. On top of it I will add imli chutney. So definitely make this tricolor dahi bhalla chaat on occasion of Independence Day.